How to resell FIFA World Cup tickets. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser. In the search bar, search for ticket transfer FIFA, and just like that, open up the first link that says FIFA. Open it up and search here, scroll down, and then you will see a link that says fifa.com/tickets. Simply tap onto it, and in search here, you will land in another page. Scroll down, tap on explore details of tickets, and when you tap onto it, you will land in this page. Now tap on resell or exchange now, and just like that in searcher, you want to go ahead and simply sign in to your account. So once you sign into your account, you need to go ahead and simply tap on my tickets to view all of your purchase tickets. Choose the ticket you would like to resell and exchange, and if your ticket is eligible, you will see the available resale or exchange option. Select the option you want and follow the on-screen instruction to complete the process. Keep in mind, resale and exchange availability may depend on FIFA's ticketing policies and the current sales phase. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.